Anyway, I was thinking about working with a hypothetical wife, for example. May she get annoyed if you don't walk too close with her?
I mean, you close, but you don't touch. You understand? So it could be like in I don't know, 10 centimeters from you. I mean, she's close, but you don't touch. Make sure that your hands don't touch. You don't show affection.
And what we do if she get annoyed because of that?
Annoyed? Yes. So I mean,
You get a good Shiduch.
So that's but you're laughing, but the read is right 100%. So all of the things, all of this, like it's not, those things are not small things. You have to discuss before that. So this would be like one of the questions. So for example, you would ask her that she wants to wear high heels, and she said, why are you asking? Said, but because I'm against high heels because it's very immodest. And she said, if you say it's immodest, I don't want this marriage. You understand? But if you were fall in love, let's say, with this girl, and now you want to marry no matter what, because you were waiting for 5 years, you didn't get married, right? So now you agree to any condition. Now you didn't ask about high heels. She said, no, I want high heels. What do you mean? Said, but it's okay. You had to do it before. Like all of the things, like not all of this, but very important things, especially the most important for a woman is the modesty. You understand? So you have to discuss before. Is she going to cover her hair? Right? She said, absolutely not. I'm going to wear a wig. Okay, you say, okay, next. You understand? So all of these things you have to discuss. She said, no, I want to only hold you, if you don't hold my hands in public, I don't want this marriage. Okay, so it's not for you. I mean, you can try to show your lectures and your lectures, stuff like that, but she's insisted that that's your mindset. Okay, just leave her alone.